I call this one the blue leaf. Why? Because it's a leaf and I made it blue. You've seen leaves, right? The fall leaves and their beautiful colors. And I was going to do one, but I realized I didn't have enough good fall colors left to do it. So why not use blue? You can use purple, you can use whatever you like. In fact, I kind of like doing something that's a little unexpected color. This is very simple too, but it has a few elements that you need to know about. Number one is it's nearly all half square triangles. There's a few solid pieces, but the stem is something that's a little special. First of all, this finishes out at 6.5 inches square. So it's a small quilt block. You can make it larger if you like. I used 2.5 inch solid squares, and I used 2.5 inch half square triangles. So that's how I came up with the 6.5 finished measurement. But I want to tell you something about that first. You can't just take a 2.5 inch square and another 2.5 inch square and make half square triangles out of it and expect them to be 2.5 inches square at all. That doesn't work that way. When you make the HSTs, you lose space. So my general rule is, if my finished square wants to be 2.5 inches square, I'm going to add 1/2 inch to that. So I started with 3-inch squares, made half square triangles, and they finished out to be 2.5 inches. So that's the thing. Add 1/2 inch. That's what you need to start with in order to make those half square triangles. Now the other interesting part about this leaf pattern is the stem. And we recently did a video called Lattice Quilt, and we may link to that at the bottom of this. That would be a good idea because it's the same process. The lattice quilt, the lattice part was made in this same fashion. So to do it, again, I started with a 3-inch square because we're going to make it smaller, okay? You cut it in half, and then take a 1-inch by 4-inch piece of black fabric or brown fabric, whatever you want the stem to be, and you basically lay this on top of here, stitch 1/4 inch, and when you peel it back, you've joined that. And then you do the same thing with this edge. 1/4 inch, peel that back, and you have your black stem through that piece. Lattice quilt video will show exactly how to do that. So once you've done that, you just kind of lay these out, right? You need a plain white. I took dark ones for the center of the leaf. Do a single dark and then do 2 half square triangles. And then I chose 2 other colors in the same kind of bluish family. And you just lay those out next to each other here. This is very simple to do. And then of course the stem piece that I have fixed will go right here. Like anything else, join them in 2s, add your 3rd, and join your rows. And then you, my friends, have a beautiful blue leaf or whatever color you have chosen. I hope you'll try this. Very simple, great for beginners because there's lots of techniques to try in this. So give this one a try. Like us, subscribe to us, and happy sewing.